I wanted to show a quick tip if you're going for pretty high overclocks, even on an extremely high-end PC, like this one is. You see it's water-cooled 480 rad, but still, if we go and look at it, you can see that the VRMs are at 108C, which is pretty high, you know, and it actually shuts down every now and then if we leave it like that. So what we are gonna do is just add a fan over the VRMs. Perfect. Now we added a single fan. Of course this one is just temporary, and so it's placed pretty much, you know, not stable. But you can see that just with one, we now have the VRM sitting at around 66 degrees. Now this computer has overheating VRMs. Now of course you can just place a fan and solve the problem, but we are trying to go for more of an advanced fix. Now as you can see, we have here some of the heat sinks that comes when you buy an accelerator. And now we're gonna remove the VRM heat sink, which is this guy. Use some thermal glue to glue some of those bad boys over the chokes, as you can see. Alright, and the mod is completed. As you can see, we slapped those heat sink directly there with the thermal glue, and now we're gonna see the temps afterwards. Alright, now the mod is finished. As you can see, it's running, and I also slapped the fan on top of them. And well, we are at 65 degrees.